Hello dance family, we're going to learn how to do the finna get loose line dance. All right, so we're going to start. I'm just going to give you a demo. Okay.
So cold. It's God, bro. I ain't got nothing to do with this. It's God, bro, man. It's God, bro. I ain't got nothing to do with this. Come on. Sing a song.
So we're going to start with, so right, it's a 4-wall dance. We're going to start with our right. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. After that part, what the next step is a crossover. So we're going to do a crossover into a basket weave. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? After that, the next step is what I call the hip action. So you bring your 1 out, keeping your weight on your left, and we're going to give them some hip action. It's a count of 8, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? The next step is a basket weave back to our left. And then we're going to quarter turn, 3/4 quarter turn around to the next wall. So how it goes is after we finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to put your weight on the 1, this side on the right, so it'll look like this, 1, 2, then we're going to basket weave this way, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to start the dance over. All right, so we're going to start with our right. We're going to do right, left, right, left, right. We're going to start with our right, and it's a diagonal. We're going to do the same thing on the left. So here we go. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, we're going to do crossover into the basket weave. We're going to cross over starting with our right over our left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do the hip action. It's an 8 count, so we're going to do 8 counts. So this is our right. We're going to move our right in position to do the hip action. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next move is?
Basket weave into the 3/4 turn.
It's the fake basket weave into the 3/4 turn. So you're going to start with your right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I need some help reminding this motherfucker.
All right,
Hey,
try to do this.
we're back again to see how we got it going, see what we learned or not. Do it with us, put some swag on it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Keep Okay.
Ain't no more tune.